What is the real meaning of mansion in dreams? Today we are going to know all the possible meanings of these types of dreams. So there are some common types of mansion dreams that people see during sleep. Number 1. If you see a beautiful mansion in a dream, then this dream is considered good and indicates good luck, success, prosperity and harmony in life. As well as this dream also suggests upcoming positive changes that will change you completely in terms of thinking, beliefs, attitude, etc. That will give you tremendous success in every aspect of life very easily. Now number 2, if you see a mansion under construction in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates good luck, success, prosperity and an upcoming good time in which you will make huge progress in every aspect of life very easily. As well as this dream also suggests the beginning of something good and new that will change your life completely in positive ways in the coming future. Now number 3, if you see entering or moving into a mansion in a dream and indicates a new journey and success in waking life, because now you are going to leave your past far behind and going to start a new life that will give you tremendous success, peace and a feeling of satisfaction in the coming future. Now number 4, if you see yourself living in a mansion in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates an upcoming good time in which you will make huge progress in every aspect of life very easily, or you are going to get any kind of big achievement that will make you famous and rich person in the coming future. Now number 5, if you see cleaning the mansion in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates the ending of all kinds of inner conflicts and emotional blockades and problems in waking life. And due to this, you are going to get new opportunities and divine support and plans for success in waking life that will give you real success and a sense of satisfaction and peace in real life. Now number 6, if you see buying a mansion in a dream, then it indicates good health, prosperity and success in life, or any of your big wishes are going to be fulfilled soon. That will make you a richer and happier person in the coming future. Now number 7, if you see any mansion with many rooms in a dream, then it indicates some kind of suppressed desires and wishes in your mind. But the good news is that this is the right time to take some bold decisions and actions to fulfill those desires now, because now you are going to achieve them very easily in real life. Now number 8, if you see a broken or abandoned mansion in a dream, then it indicates loss, disappointment or lost opportunities and difficulties to completing any work, project or planning in waking life. Or you have made any kind of wrong decision in life that demands your attention and needs some corrections to get the desired results in life. So to avoid these things, this is the right time to cross-check your plans before execution in real life. Now number 9, if you see finding any kind of hidden room in any mansion in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates focusing on meditation and spiritual life, because some kind of unique or God-gifted talent is present inside you, but you are not aware of it till now. So this is the right time to find your unique talent, because it can solve your all kinds of life problems very easily.